Will stare decisis impact future Supreme Court rulings? Imagine a court that relies heavily on its past decisions to guide its current judgments. This approach, known as stare decisis, is a fundamental principle in the United States judicial system. It encourages courts to follow established legal precedents to promote consistency and stability in the law. But how does this principle influence the decisions of the Supreme Court, especially when faced with complex or controversial issues? Stare decisis means to stand by things decided in Latin. When the Supreme Court rules on a case, its decision often sets a precedent that lower courts and future cases are expected to follow. This creates a legal framework that helps individuals and entities understand what the law is and how it will be applied. For example, the landmark decision in Brown v. Board of Education in 1950 for declared racial segregation in public schools unconstitutional. This ruling overturned the previous doctrine of separate but equal, established in Plessy v. Ferguson, and set a new legal standard that has influenced countless cases since. However, the principle is not absolute. The Supreme Court has the authority to overturn its own precedents if it determines they are no longer suitable or if societal values have changed significantly. Overturning a precedent is a complex process that involves careful consideration of the case's facts and the legal reasoning behind the original decision. For instance, in 1973, the court reversed its earlier ruling in Roe v. Wade regarding abortion rights, citing changes in societal attitudes and legal interpretations. Future Supreme Court rulings are often shaped by the balance between respecting established legal principles and adapting to evolving societal norms. When the court adheres to stare decisis, it tends to uphold stability and predictability in the law. Conversely, when it chooses to overturn precedents, it can significantly alter the legal landscape. The influence of this principle ensures that the court's decisions are not made lightly but are rooted in a careful weighing of legal consistency against the need for change. In summary, stare decisis plays a crucial role in shaping how the Supreme Court approaches future cases. It acts as a guiding principle that promotes consistency but also allows for flexibility when necessary. This dynamic ensures that the law remains both stable and responsive to the changing needs of society.